Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My name is زۇلھايات يارمۇھەممەت. I am Uyghur and I am from Gulja city in East Turkestan, also known as the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region of China. Today, I would like to give my testimony to the imprisonment of my brother, ئۆتكۈر يارمۇھەممەت. Brothers and sisters, here is a photo of my brother. He was born on July 25, 1990, and he is now 29 years old. His passport number is G383396162. After graduating from high school in Gulja, he went to Turkey to study. After 2 years of language study, he was admitted into Kastamonu University in Turkey to study advertisement. In 2016, he went back home in Gulja to take care of our aging parents to helping run the small family shop my father had opened. And he worked hard in helping my father expand his business, opening a new shop. During this time, he got engaged. Everything seemed to be going well. Unfortunately, in April 2017, soon after he got engaged, the Chinese police took him away from our house for questioning. But he never returned. My parents looked for him and we were told he was in a re-education camp, but we are not able to find where exactly being held for a year. In March 2018, my father was also taken away by the Chinese police, and a few days later, my mother was informed that there would be a trial in which my brother would be sentenced 10 years of prison. However, not only was my mother not allowed to enter the courtroom, she did not even receive any official court confirmation until this day, and until now she does not even know what crime my brother has supposedly committed. It's clear that this was a fake and unfair trial. Since the trial, my mother has not seen my brother or heard from him. In fact, we do not know where he is jailed, how long he is jailed for, what crime he was charged on. Also, my father was recently released from the so-called re-education camp. After 2 years, my family and I are still devastated by the fact my beloved brother is still in a re-education camp or possibly in jail. My parents have not seen him since he was taken away 2 years ago. They are worried, extremely saddened, and they seem to have lost all their happiness. Every time I call my family, I hear my mother crying over the phone talking about my brother. Imagine how hard it could be for parents losing their son into darkness, not knowing what happens to him. This makes me even sadder because I am not only losing my brother. The endless pain has also taken its toll on my parents. That is why I had decided to give this testimony, and I asked the Chinese government release my brother ئۆتكۈر يارمۇھەممەت. He was not even political and has done nothing against the government. All he did was get more experience in business and helping expand my father's small shop. He is innocent. The charges he was accused of were fake, baseless, and the trial was also fake. My brother should be freed, he should get married, he should work on his business, he should have a peaceful life. And I will keep fighting for him until he is free. Thank you.